Who the hell is that?
That's
Heinz gets velvet!
You know I'm not one to break promises. You know I'm not one. You know I'm not one to break promises. I don't wanna hurt you, but I need to breathe. Which way is right? Which way is wrong? How do I say that I need to move on? You know we're headed separate ways. Feels like I am just close to love you. And it feels like I am just too close to love you. There's nothing I can really say. I can't no more. I can't no more. Got to be true to myself. And it feels like I am just too close to love you. So I'll be on my way. You know I'm not one to break promises. I don't wanna hurt you, but I need to breathe. At the end of it all, you're still my best friend. But there's something inside that I need to release. Which way is right? Which way is wrong? How do I say that